Good morning, Wildcats. I'm Corey Price.
I'm Curtis Martin.
And I'm Evan Eschbach, coming to you with our newscast from BTV Studios at DeKalb High School.
We had some breaking news this morning coming in from Waterloo Elementary.
Sammy the Snowman is missing.
According to our sources, he was last seen in the hallway.
All that was left was his belongings.
It was a sad scene. Let's break to the field.
We are so upset. We got to school this morning and we found Sammy's things right here, but no Sammy.
Thank you for the update.
Let's break to the office staff for updates on Sammy the Snowman.
Do we have any clues?
Not yet. We're hoping to get some more information soon to find Sammy. All we have right now is a scarf, hat, and mittens. I am shocked. I just saw Sammy and now this. A puddle of water in his things, but no Sammy.
What happened?
We are all so upset about this in the office. He was always so pleasant.
Attention, first and second graders, I am so upset. How could something like this happen at Waterloo Elementary? Your teacher tells me that you are great detectives. You've read so many mystery books, and you might be able to help. So, we need our best detectives on this case. Can you help us find Sammy?
Welcome back, and thank you, Mrs. Tipton, for your report.
I hope your class will be able to find Sammy and get him back and solve the case.
Best of luck, Wildcat Super Sleuths. I'm Evan.
I'm Curtis.
And I'm Corey saying so long from BTV Studios, and that we're rooting for you here at the high school.